Well, hello there and congratulations. You've made it once again to Wednesdays at Lorts. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. As you know, Lorts is a made-to-order furniture manufacturer, and you've probably heard me speak about our furniture as well as our custom capabilities many times. We can help you design from the bottom up, from a napkin sketch to an existing CAD drawing. Custom is our middle name. But what if you see something in our online catalog but discover that the size just won't work in your space? Well, rather than having to take the time to custom draw a whole new item with new dimensions, chances are if you find something in our table, bed, or occasional programs, you won't have to. If you go to our website and find the dining, bedroom, and occasional link, look for the headings that say program in the title and you're halfway there. Let's go to the table program. As you can see, we have 8 table designs there. Find the style that you like, click on it, and you'll find all the available sizes, complete with measurements and specs for you to download. We've done the work for you, no custom drawings needed, and that means no extra lead time. In the bed program, you will find the twin, queen, and king sizing, allowing you to choose either a complete bed or simply the headboard in that size. Print specs for each are also provided. Again, no extra time in engineering and no extra lead time. In the occasional area, we have 9 tables in our program. Console, cocktail, and lamp tables are all available as a regular line item. The item you want, the size you need, in the finish that makes sense for your space. No customizing necessary. And all of the items in our programs are made in the USA and available to you in 8 to 10 weeks. Yes, we're here to help. Everything at Lorts is made to order, and we welcome customizing almost anything. But if you choose not to go that route, know that our dining, occasional, and bed programs have you covered. Call us today to get started. See you next time.